Yes, dear students, welcome to all of you once again. And I'm sure all of you must be enjoying nowadays your studies. Okay, you are going to have term 2 exams in March, but no need to worry because knowledge is more important than marks, and continue to strive for knowledge. And physics is very easy subject, and you are going to score good marks. So in today's session, we are going to discuss electric potential difference. Electric potential difference. In previous session, we discussed electric potential. Today, electric potential difference and how electric potential difference is different from electric potential and how to measure electric potential difference. कैसे measure करते हैं, which device you use or which instrument you use, and we shall be doing some numericals based on the formula of electric potential difference. And this physics being the easiest subject, you are going to enjoy this session. And at the end, you will find some numericals, and these numericals, are helpful in exams like NTSC and other competitive exams. And along with this, these are important for CBSE or all other boards also. Now let's start the session and move towards whiteboard.
Yes, in last session we discussed about electric potential. इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल में हमने पढ़ा था कि इट इज द अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क डन इन मूविंग ए यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज फ्रॉम इंफिनिटी टू अ पॉइंट इन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ऑफ अ source charge. And we discussed some examples also before electric potential difference. So I am just going to discuss 2-3 examples again, okay, but in different way. And then we shall be starting today's topic, that is electric potential difference. And we shall try to understand that what is the difference between electric potential and electric potential difference. So पहले में electric potential, only 2 words are there. In second case, electric potential difference, there are 3 words. So we have to understand the difference between these two. So one example here we discussed last time, that there was a ball. So when a ball is made to flow, a ball is kept here. This is the ball at point A and this is the height h here. So when ball is kept here, we leave the ball here, then it comes to point B. यहाँ पर ये आ जाती है अपने आप, है ना? It comes to point B. What is the reason here? The reason is difference in height. Okay, here at the ground level, ये ground level पे. So height from the ground level, it is 0 here. It is 0. Yes, here it is 0. Height is 0. And here h, this is the height here. So because of difference in height, it comes down. But when we have to take the ball from B to A, so what we need to do? We have to do some work. है ना? हमें कुछ काम करना पड़ता है. We have to do some work against gravitational force of the earth. Yes or no? Gravitational pull of the earth is pulling the ball downward, and we have to just go against the electrostatic. We have to go against the gravitational pull of the earth. So we have to do some work. इसमें काम करना पड़ता है ना? And that work comes out in the form of W is equal to mgh. Yes. Same way we discuss one more example. That one body is A here, and another body is B. So it has it has these so many charges. So it has excess of charges. How many charges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And it has this number of charges: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So it has excess of charges. It has excess of charges and it has deficiency of charges. इसमें charges की क्या है? Deficiency है. Yes. So when these two are connected with a conducting wire, इसको हमने conducting wire से join कर दिया, so what will happen? Charges will flow from A to B. है? A to B, because it has excess of charges, it has deficiency of charges. Okay, तो इनको neutral होने के लिए therefore the charges will flow from this direction to this direction, from this body to this body. Yes, any problem here? Same way. Now I'm taking one more example here. So if we have two containers, अगर हमारे पास दो containers हैं, and you will say, sir, this activity is given in books also. Yes, it's given in books also, but I am going to discuss in a different way. Okay. So this is one container here, and this is another container. This is another container. Yes. And these two are connected to a with a tube. ये दोनों connected हैं एक ट्यूब से, और बीच में क्या लगा है इसके वॉल. This is the valve here. Yes, it has water level up to this, and it has water level up to this. यहाँ तक है इसमें. So if we open the valve, इस valve को खोल देंगे, तो what will happen? Water will flow. Here is water. Water will flow from this container to this container through this pipe. Yes, valve खोलने से इधर से जाएगा ये. And how long it will be there? Okay, when the level and these two become same, then water will stop flowing. Water will stop flowing. रुक जाएगा. लेकिन still you want, now these two containers are having the same level. दोनों में water का level same हो गया. And both are lying at the same height. Now both containers A and B have the same level of water, and yes, same level of water. But you want, sir, water should flow from A to B. A to B में water को flow करना चाहिए. So what will you do? Some of you must have done. जब when you are going by your two-wheeler और उसमें पेट्रोल खत्म हो जाता है, then what do you do? अगर साथ में से कोई फ्रेंड जा रहा हो, तो you ask your friend to just help me give me some petrol from your scooter, okay, Activa, two-wheeler. तो क्या किया होगा आपने? तो देखो उसमें क्या करते हैं, एक बोतल लेते हैं, है ना, एक पाइप से आप एक पाइप को डालते हैं किसमें, वाटर पेट्रोल टैंक में, एक्टिवा के या टू-व्हीलर के, एंड फ्रॉम दैट पाइप इज कनेक्टेड टू द बॉटल, एंड बॉटल का लेवल क्या है, थोड़ा नीचे रखते हैं, जो पेट्रोल टैंक से उसे नीचे रखते हैं. यस, तो देन बिकॉज ऑफ प्रेशर डिफरेंस द पेट्रोल इज ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम पेट्रोल टैंक टू द बॉटल. थोड़ा सा सर करना पड़ता है ना टू क्रिएट द प्रेशर. यस, सो बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेशर डिफरेंस पेट्रोल इज ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम टू व्हीलर टू बॉटल. तो सेम में अगर यहां से इसको करना है तो बी का लेवल क्या होगा, हमको रेज करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो बी इज रेज फ्रॉम दिस साइड, यहां से इस साइड से इसको रेज करेंगे, एंड इट इज केप्ट हियर. बी इज केप्ट हियर ओनली. Now it is kept here containing the same amount of water. Now if you join a tube, यहां से इसको यहां से ट्यूब से ज्वाइन कर दें अगर हम, देखिए this way. Yes, so now water will flow from B to A. Now water will flow from B to A. Yes, why? Because of the difference in atmospheric pressure. तो here pressure is more. यहां पर pressure क्या है, ज्यादा है, and here pressure is less. So water will flow from higher pressure to lower pressure, है ना, higher level to lower level. Yes, so same thing happens with the charges in conductors. Charges in conductor. So charges also flow from higher. Here we talk about the atmospheric pressure. So there we talk about the electric potential difference. Here difference in atmospheric pressure is there, and there we talk about the electric potential difference. This you have to understand. यहाँ पर difference in atmospheric pressure is there. Yes. So when we talk about the charges, तो उसमें क्या होता है, in place of difference in atmospheric pressure, the word is electric potential difference. Electric potential difference. So here we have to raise it. We have to do some work to move it up, है ना? इसको हमें काम करना पड़ा इसका लेवल उठाने के लिए. We have to do some work to lift the container B. only then pressure is created and then water flows from B to A. So same thing happens in conductors. Okay, to move the charges, some work is done by the external force. Okay, to move the charges from higher level to lower level, higher level to lower level, some work has to be done. In conductors, who performs this work? Can you guess? A conductor है, this is a conducting wire, copper wire. If charges have to flow, what is required to make the charges flow from one end to another end? Yes, Nilay is saying, Nilay and Suryash, both are saying, sir, we need a source of electricity. When a source of electricity is connected across the ends of this conductor, what will happen? So this will exert external pressure. External force will be applied on the charges and charges will flow from higher level to lower level. So this is the conventional direction of the charges. Yes. So source of electric current जो होता है, source of electric current, it provides energy. It applies force on the charges and they move from higher potential to lower potential. Any problem here? So I am going to rub it then next. So the electron means negative charge particles. In a conductor flow from one end to another end of the conductor if there is electric pressure difference. As in previous example we saw, there should be difference in level, difference in height of the two container. Only then the water will flow from higher container to lower container. The amount of water in the higher container may be less. Even then it will flow from higher to lower. Okay, so there is a electric pressure difference and it is called electric potential difference. As there was a difference in atmospheric pressure, so here should be electric pressure difference and this electric pressure difference is known as electric potential difference. Okay, now question comes to us as sir, how this electric potential difference is maintained? In that example, just we raise the container, है ना, उसमें we perform some work, हमने उसमें काम किया, हमने force लगाया container के ऊपर and it is moved up. So how this electric potential difference is created in conductors? Okay, so in conductors, this electric potential difference is created by an external source, अभी हमने पढ़ा था, which is known as source of electricity. It can be cell or battery. Yes, okay. So in conductors, this electric potential difference in conductor means conductors those allow the electric current to pass through them, or we can say in electric circuits across the ends of the wire, conducting wires, right? So in conductors or in electric circuits or across the end of a conducting wire, this electric potential difference is created by a source of electricity. And in labs or at home, generally when we are doing some experiment, तो उसमें हम जो source of electricity क्या use करते हैं? Cell or battery. Cell or batteries are used. Okay. And cell and batteries, इनके क्या होते हैं? There are two terminals. है ना? Positive. One is called positive terminal. Another is called negative terminals. Am I right? So positive terminal and negative terminal. So when we connect a conductor, this is a conductor. ये हमारा ले लिया एल्युमिनियम वायर. When this is connected to a battery, ये हमारा बैटरी हो गया, बैटरी का सिंबल हो गया. So this is positive terminal and this is negative terminal. When it is connected here, इसको हम जब कनेक्ट करेंगे, what will happen? देखिए. So one end is at higher potential. This is at higher potential. Higher potential. And this negative, it is at low potential. ये low potential पर होता है. Yes. So this is at higher potential and this is at lower potential. So what will happen? And here electrons, they will flow from, this is at higher potential, this is at lower potential. So electrons here start flowing from lower potential to हायर पोटेंशियल। तो इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है इसमें फ्लो शुरू कर देते हैं फ्रॉम नेगेटिव टर्मिनल टू पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल्स, और वी कैन से फ्रॉम लो पोटेंशियल टू हायर potential. So here electric potential difference is being created by this battery. In this conductor across the ends A and B, potential difference is being created with the help of this battery. Okay. So note it down. If you wish to note down, इसको note कर लीजिए. Then we are now after this we are coming to the definition of electric potential difference, and after that we shall be doing some numericals. ठीक है, उसके बाद में करेंगे थोड़े से numericals, and you are going to enjoy these numericals, and we shall be doing difference between electric potential and electric potential difference. Okay, done. So I am going to rub it now. So now first electric potential. In last in previous session we discussed that electric potential क्या होता है? It is the amount of work done in moving a unit. Unit means one charge. Your one charge, and we charge positive charge, and it is a source charge. It has a positive electric field around it. So हमने पढ़ा था electric potential. It is the amount of work done in moving a unit positive charge. Work done to move a unit positive charge from infinity. This point is outside the electric field of this source charge. इससे दूर है ना? From infinity to a point. This is a point A in electric field of this source charge. Okay. So it is the amount of work done in moving a unit positive. So unit positive test charge from infinity to a point in electric field of a source charge against the electrostatic force of attraction. Okay, against the electrostatic force of attraction along any path. ये पढ़ा था हमने, है ना? तो ये यहां से आता है. It can come here straight. यहां इसको सीधा ला सकते हैं हम. And ये force of repulsion is there. Positive charge. So therefore I said against the electrostatic force of repulsion. Electrostatic force of repulsion यहाँ पर, है ना? And this can come to this. इसको हम यहाँ भी ला सकते हैं. This point ऐसे भी ला सकते हैं. This is also the path. This is also the path. So it can come to this point along any path. This is very very important for competitive exams, है ना? उसमें ये पूछा सकता है. तो ये बहुत important है NTSC और दूसरे एग्जाम के लिए. This point charge come to a point in electric field of source charge along any path. ठीक है, against electrostatic force of attraction. And we have discussed that it is a scalar quantity. ये हमने करा था, है ना? अब now what is electric potential difference? Electric potential difference क्या है? Okay. So for this again I am going to make a diagram. तो देखिए हमने इसके लिए इधर डायग्राम बनाया. So this is same. Okay. So I am going to make the diagram for this. So here in this diagram you can see same. This is the source charge and this is the electric field of the source charge. Okay, it is represented by capital Q. ये जो charge था, the unit positive charge from infinity has come to this point A. Yes, ये इसके इस point तक आ गया. It is like that. Just I give you example. When teacher is in the classroom, and you are coming late to the class, you ask, sir, may I come in the class? Classroom is the electric field of the teacher. Okay. Yes, classroom is the electric field of teacher. At the gate, at the entrance, at the door you ask, may I come in, sir? If teacher wishes, he can say, no, you may not. Sir, may I come in? आप request करते हैं. So you try to go against his wish. He is saying, no, sir, may I come in? Okay. So here you are coming from infinity. You are coming from outside to the classroom. तो ये हो गया हमारा electric potential. And in the classroom, and teacher is there, and you are moving from your place to another place. आप पीछे बैठे हैं, टीचर ने बोला था आपको पीछे बैठो. And then you are coming to the front seat. Teacher is present in the classroom. This is Q, source charge, and you are moving from A position to C position without permission, है ना? तो क्या होगा? you are going against the, again, discipline. You are going against the discipline. So you have to dare करना पड़ता है. So same way when we are moving a unit positive charge from A point to C point. So you are going, now you are moving against the electrostatic force of attraction from A point to C point. So you have to do some work to move this unit positive charge from this A point, unit positive charge of 1 coulomb. So you have to move from A point to C point against the electrostatic force of repulsion. Means you have to do some work. So here change in electric potential energy will be there. Change in electric potential energy will be there. Yes. So change in electric potential energy on moving from A to B. तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा? Change in electric potential energy A to C में. So some work is done to move from A to C. तो यहां पर जो वर्क डन होगा और यहां पर ये होगा वर्क डन W and here potential difference क्या होगा? It is VA. Potential is VA. Same way when you are reaching to point C, so here potential will be VC and यहाँ भी होगा. So work is done at C also. Yes, work is done at C also to move it from A to C. So now you can see the difference between electric potential and electric potential difference. Okay. So in electric potential difference, unit positive charge is moved from one point to another point, from one position to another position in the electric field, and here infinity to a point in electric field of source charge. Any problem here? So here potential difference को हम कैसे represent करेंगे? देखिए यहाँ से. So potential difference here it will be VC minus VA because it is moving from A to C. So at C potential is higher. At C potential is higher because of the higher potential electric potential energy. So here work जो done होगा that is from A to C. Here you have to see the difference. Potential difference C minus A, and here work is done on to move a charge from A to C. Upon किसको move कर रहे हैं? Charge को. This is Q. This is Q. Any problem here? I'm sure no. And we can write this in this form also. VC minus VA is equal to, because there is a change in potential energy, so we can write down delta P, change in potential energy upon Q. और इसको अगर एग्जाम में आ जाता है न्यूमेरिकल तो इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, सिंस Q is equal to I into T, we can write down VC minus VA is equal to delta PE upon IT. Okay, or we can say that W upon IT. Yes, here this is Q. यहाँ पर Q है थोड़ा. Yes. Any problem here? So note down this. And now after this we are going to do the definition of electric potential difference. Note down. Done? Okay, now definition. So here definition of electric potential difference is the electric potential difference is the work done in moving a unit positive charge from one point to another in electric field of a source charge or in a conductor. Okay, it is not written here, yahan miss ho gaya. Another point, in electric field or in a conductor. Yes. So this is a formula. Again, this is very important. Here, charge is moved from A to C. So at C, potential energy is higher, and at C, potential is higher. So therefore, we write VC minus VA. Never VA minus VC. This is the mistake sometimes done by the students. and work is done in moving the charge from A to C, and this is equal to the change in potential energy. This is delta, means ये जो triangle का sign होता है ये difference in potential energy upon Q. Yes, and this is non-uniform electric field. Non-uniform electric field. इसको हम when the charge is moved from one point to another in the conductor, उस way में भी कर सकते हैं. तो I am taking another example to explain it, and after that numericals. Now in uniform electric field, so this is the uniform electric field, and here a charge is moved from this point A to point B. Charge is moved from point A to point B, and which charge? Unit positive charge. Unit means one, positive charge is moved from A to B. तो इसमें क्या लिखेंगे देखिए. Okay, so we are going against direction of electric field is this is from left to right, and we are going in this direction. So against the electrostatic force of repulsion. So here it will be VB minus VA, VB minus VA, or we can say that change in potential energy upon Q, or we can say that work done in moving a charge from A to D upon Q. Yes, so this way charges move from one point to another in uniform electric field, or we can say in a conductor. So any problem here? Again you have to remember VB minus VA. Here potential is more here than A. Yes, and this is written like this. And what is the unit of this? Same, SI unit. क्योंकि वर्क डन की यूनिट क्या होती है? जूल. Unit of charge is coulomb, and this called 1 volt. 1 volt is equal to 1 coulomb upon 1 second. Or SI unit of this potential difference is volt. Okay, and this volt has been named after a scientist. Can you name the scientist? You should remember, because we have to give honor to the scientists. They have done a lot for us, and I wish that some of you should become scientists, because scientists never leave this world. They remains here. They remains in books. So some of you should try to become scientists. So your name will remain as long as this earth exists. Your name will be there. So it has been named after Alessandro Volta. Okay, Alessandro Volta जो थे उनके नेम के ऊपर इसको यूनिट को रखा गया है. Therefore it is represented by V. Volta से V लिया गया. Okay. Yes. Now some numericals. So in Alessandro Volta, it is ALESSANDR, Alessandro Volta. So this is the first question. So when 4 coulomb of charge is moved from A point to B point in electric field, and potential at A is I have written VA. VA means potential at A is minus 10. Here it is minus 10 volt. And at point B, charge is moved from this A to B. कितना charge move कर रहा है? 4 coulomb charge is moving from A to B. B पर potential हमको नहीं मालूम है. This we have to find out. And this work done to move it from A to B is 100 joule. To find क्या करना है? VB we need to find. So solution में क्या लेंगे? Since we know that. This is very, very important to write down. Since we know that, so VB minus VA. So VB minus VA, because charge is moved from A to B, that B potential is higher. So therefore VB minus VA, and work done is from moving charge from A to B, and here it is A to B upon Q. तो देखिए VB की वैल्यू कितनी है? ये हमको निकालनी है. माइनस साइन आ गया. VA कितना है? माइनस, तो यहां लिखेंगे minus 10. Okay, and here work done is 100, and charge is how much? 4. Yes, now we can solve it. कितना आएगा देखिए. This is VB minus into minus, it will be plus and here it will be how much? 25. So therefore VB will be 25 minus 10 is equal to 15 volt. So potential at B, therefore potential at B is 15 volt, and which is higher than minus 10 volt. So this means charge is moved from A to B, and at B potential is higher. This is 15 volt, and it is here minus 10. Yes. So note it down. It is very good question for competitive exams also. Yes, done. So we can get one more question from this. Many times I have told you, try to be your own teacher. अपना टीचर खुद बने. So we can get one more question from this. इससे हम एक और क्वेश्चन बना सकते हैं, है ना? तो चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम इसी से बना के लेते हैं. इसको रब करते हैं तब तक. Okay. So now next question I have made from this question only. Next question क्या है देखो, how much charge we have to find out charge. How much charge should be moved from point A, which has minus 10 volt potential, to point B, which has 15 volt potential. How much charge should be moved? Okay, so that work done is 100 joules, and work done is 100 joules. So here, same using the same formula, VB is how much? 15 minus VA, this, and W is how much? 100. This is 100 here, and Q, this we have to find out. ठीक है ना? तो 15 minus into minus plus, it will be 25, and here it is 100 upon Q. So therefore Q will be how much? 100 upon 25 is equal to 4. So therefore charge कितना आ गया? Charge Q is equal to 4 coulomb. ठीक है? तो now we have got second question from the first question itself. So this way we can practice number of questions. तो एक और question इससे बना सकते हैं, है ना? So try to make another question from this. Now you can find out how much work is done to move a 4 coulomb charge from point A to point B. वो हमारा नया question बन जाएगा. Yes? So note it down. Yes, okay, done this? Okay. Now one question has been asked by Suryansh and Aram. They are writing, sir, how do we measure potential difference across the ends of a conductor? कोई हमें conductor दिया है. This is a conductor of aluminium, and how can we measure the potential difference across its ends? So देखिए, to measure the potential difference across its end A and B, we have to connect voltmeter. We have to connect voltmeter. So voltmeter जो है, it is a device which is used to measure the potential difference across the ends of a conductor. And what is voltmeter? How does it measure the potential difference? We shall be doing in next session. So now let's move to the next session, right? So enjoy, do more numericals, and continue to save water in the interest of humanity. Okay, we gain a lot from society. What do we return to the society? This we have to think. So thanks to all of you.